Apple Card to lose its magnetic stripe as MasterCard opts for Apple Pay and contactless future. Yeah, so this was one of those holdover things where they had this old technology, the magnetic stripe on there, in case you encountered a machine that required an actual swipe. But those things are becoming less and less frequent and necessary. And this brings to light, since I did just switch to the Z Fold 3 and I was getting back onto the Samsung Pay, which it used to be one of my favorites because they had the MST technology in there. So it could actually work with, even though it was tap, it could work with the old-fashioned terminals that didn't have NFC, and it would emulate a magnetic strip actually being there. Anyway, they got rid of it on recent devices because so many, at least here around us, every single terminal is upgraded now. You can tap whatever you want. And so it's becoming less and less important to have a physical card, period, for most things, but also especially to have a swipe. When's the last time you swiped a card?
Oh, it's been years.
It's a long time.
It's been years, yeah.
It's a long time.
So, good for them.
So anyway, they're getting rid of it on the next version. It's a tap-only Apple Pay. Today's chip cards are powered. Oh, and a chip as well, of course. You can still insert the chip. If it's necessary, you have a big purchase that is over the limit for tap or whatever it is. According to MasterCard, newly issued credit and debit cards will not be required to have a stripe starting in 2024 in Europe and 2027 in the US. So we're still a little ways off before it's all cards, but they are shifting away, including for the Apple Card.